No, I just
typical Chevy.
No, I just didn't. I didn't reset it. The oil's changed. I didn't just.
That's what I would say too. Sounds like a bunch of.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Is that a dually? Is that a single cab short? What? Is that a shorty? Is that a... What the hell is even going on here? And Cole's over here dragging around beds and shit. Damn, you get a haircut, Slick? Oh, yeah. What are you guys hotboxing in there? Holy shit. Cold as out there, but you know, these guys just get to wash their truck in a heated shop. That's what you call not poverty. You guys spit shine the case? Definitely hand washed and polished this entire thing. I can shave in it. I don't recommend you hitting that garage door. Whoa! Now it's stuck on the back. Fuck that trailer. Cole to the rescue again. Lift the whole truck up. Fuck up. Just load it off with the yeah.
You can buy them, you just can't keep them nice.
Bingo. Now. Yeah, we'll get some blocks and put it in the rear. Hey, what the fuck? Cole, I think we got him back here. Just barely. Barely. And you still got a broken pedal stool. Calm down. And it's back. Fuck this thing. Somebody said there's a little bird in here. A bird? You want to see my bagger?
I did that with my own two hands and my feet and my eyes and my heart.
Your soul had a part of this.
It did actually. I was like, I don't like holding this. I'm all oil. I forget why I don't like 12 valves.
I can't believe you did that. That's actually freaking insane, dude.
Man,
I'm sorry. What?
I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna torch it all. Is he breaking interior stuff too? Yep, only one gauge working. Oh, what the?
We need to gauge proof that too.
So we come over to Cole's, not only to drop off the murder ramp. Well, it was gonna come here for hibernation, but Gabe also broke it. Several things, just one thing. Five things. One thing. We'll just say one thing. We're also gonna pick up my OBS frame, so I can maybe start stripping it down this week. Possibility not.
I'll be busy these days.
Also, I just myself, huh, Gabe? I just got to do this by myself. I might as well just take it to my shop where I'm working in freaking heat. We can't take it.
Have you ever built a truck in the middle of winter? I have. It sucks.
No, but I mean we can take it to mine if we want to.
No, I don't care.
Anyways, we're picking up the frame so we can start tearing into it and getting my freaking frame off done. Cole's been hiding it somewhere. He said he sold it 3 times, but I don't know how that's possible. But if he did, then I'm in search for another frame.
You are. Like 3 minutes.
I searched several countries. Australia, none. China, none.
Duh.
Canada, none.
Country?
Little lonely Tennessee had one. Almost wrecked trying to buy that frame.
Your first ship's running now, right?
Oh, it's great. Drove it last Saturday. But
Nice.
you're not gonna drive it.
But I kept telling you that you needed those U-joints in your big truck.
Well, we'll just have to put those with the new one.
And the new big truck?
Yeah.
100%. We'll just rob them off of this one. Jeez. Grab a wrench. Grab a wrench. Grab a wrench. Okay. Don't tell Cole. Oh my God. Is that Gabriel Fettel? When you have a shop that can fit a 40-foot trailer and a truck.
I told him like I gave up. There's rock lights on a trailer?
Remember I said that? Look.
That's sick.
And then the self-destruct button. Oh shit, turn it off.
I have 6 rock lights. Son of a bitch.
Neutral, if you park a semi-truck in gear, I hate you. Yeah. Holy shit, someone was jamming out with their clam out. Golly, turn it down! Posting my King Ranch for sale. This is the new tow rig. It's pretty nice. It's got a nice spicer in it. Clutch is brand new. It's a rowdy engine brake. And it's a big breaker. Breaker 1.9. Yeah. We got too much over here.
I dig.
I love it. Rock lights on a Ski-Doo? Loading the frame. Keep her coming. That's what I like to see. I love to see it. That is beautiful. It put it down. It put it to the down. Good work, buddy. You did really good operating that thing. Use the trailer brakes. Understand this guy. You ready?
Yep. Gosh. That's a tan lug.
Wait, what is that?
Hey, look, it's a
alignment pin for these fancy old wheels here. You only need 2 lug nuts for the Ugga-Duggas, the 2 of them. That's it. Slightly surface rusted, top flat, down pipe, up pipe looking type
what the fuck?
deal with twin I-beam for Ford front independent front suspension type shit. I don't like that. Shit sucks. You just straight axle.
Yep.
ASAP.
Breathe. There you go.
Fucking smoke. Into-ass body mounts. We're gonna use them for the Fummins build for sure. I don't know. That's like $4,000 right there. So hey, I'm fucking recording here, bud.
Are these donuts? Not donuts.
Yeah, we need to take it over to the freaking Brian so we can power wash or take it to the car wash and go get a whole bunch of degreaser.
Oh yeah.
Degrease it, spray that all down, and freaking power wash, get it all nice and clean. We can start stripping down everything off of this. I don't want anything on this frame.
Yep.
You see the leaf spring hangers? They're
They're
brand new.
literally brand new.
I mean, I'm not gonna use them.
Yeah, I mean, but if you were,
I mean,
they'd
maybe
be
I'm gonna
nice.
use them. Maybe I'm gonna just keep
Do
it
leaf
like an
springs.
8-inch lift or something. That's the only thing I hate about this frame. We're gonna have to do a lot of good grinding. We gotta take this. Oh, they welded the bumper and this Reese hitch and that.
We're keeping this because it's gonna be a tow rig. But it's
Really, it's only a 6-inch lift. I did to see this thing done.
yeah, me too. It's gonna take a lot of work.
I'm selling all my trucks.
I'm also what?
What? There's no wiring on this frame though. That's a plus. Oh, got my frame all loaded up. Take it to the shop so we can start working on it now, finally.
I just
Typical Chevy.
Nah, I just didn't. I didn't reset it. The oil's changed. I didn't just.
That's what I would say too. I got the pit vipers on. It means I'm a Cateye driver and owner. Sounds like a bunch of.
What do you think? You think Gabe or CJ should get one?
No, we don't want. It's alright.
What are you doing, dude?
I just feel like a squatted shit box when I'm in this. Gauges, is it that slow? Like the owners?
Dude, it's a 2004. It's like a 2004 iPhone. It's slow.
Like the Cateye owners are as slow as their edge tuner. It finally booted up.
I might not be dumb, but I'm stupid. Wait, did I say that right?
Let's see how this thing drives. And then I'm the.
Oh, let me grab my Monster real quick. Oh, sorry. I forgot we were in the Cateye. Oh, my bad, bro.
Yeah, I bet you were trying to grab something.
Crude Diesel here, and today we're driving our first Cateye because we're. How you like it?
10 points. It did a little decent burnout.
Did you get the burnout on film?
Oh, it was on the live.
No such thing.
I can do another one.
For you two. We're on live. Bro, what does that smell?
It smells
burnt
good.
Vaseline, 100%.
It kind of smells like.
I love these brand new tires that you got on here. Literally destroyed.
Yeah, it has character.
Yes.
All right.